Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to have no name on Among Us. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open Among Us app. And as you can see here, it asks your name to be filled. Now delete all the alphabets from it. Now copy this Unicode character from another site. Tap on it and copy it and come back to Among Us and paste it in the box. Now go to the game. As you can see, I don't have any name. So, it is really a fun way to enjoy your game. It is really different approach to play this game. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.